guys, it's Lauren here from Soma East, and I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little video about something very exciting that I'm sure you have seen we launched recently. We are doing at-home facial boxes. So I just kind of wanted to go over what's in your facial box and go over any commonly asked questions. So like I said, we have three different ones. We have a Age Smart one, a hydrating, and a clearing. And you're going to get a little bag just like this. And in it, you're going to find everything to do a facial at home. So the first thing you're going to see is there's this. I can't open it right now, but in here is your step-by-step instructions. So it goes down, what's in your kit, and then steps 1 through 7. So it's very easy to follow along. So just first thing when you get your box, just pop this guy open. You also are going to find a little gift card in here that is going to give you $10 off any Dermalogica product or service in the future. You're going to have some soft gauze to remove your product. You can also use a face cloth as well, just kind of whatever you prefer. The soft gauze is, of course, very soft and disposable, so that is there for you. And a headband, disposable headband, just for you to, put on just to keep those hairs out of the way. So doing your at-home facial should take about, I would give yourself a good half an hour to do this. You don't want to be rushed. And then you're going to get Dixie cups, or sorry, little, they're not Dixie cups, little, these guys here with your products. And they are labeled 1 through 7. And then you're also going to get a few samples for future use. So with the products, there are just a couple that I wanted to highlight. So the first one is going to be our pre-cleanse. That is your very first step. With your pre-cleanse, you add, and again, everything is right in the instructions, but you add your amount in your hand, put it on your dry skin, and then emulsify with water. You want to put it on dry skin first and massage it in. Massage it over your eyes, over your lips, down onto your neck, because that's going to get off any makeup that you're wearing. If you're wearing makeup, if you're not, still use this because it's going to get rid of any product debris, pollution, sweat, anything like that that's sitting on our skin, so that when we go to cleanse our skin, step 2, we will actually be cleansing the skin, not cleansing the stuff off of our skin. Another product I wanted to highlight, this one comes in our clearing and our hydrating kit, not the Age Smart kit. The Age Smart has a different exfoliant, but in the clearing and hydrating kit, you have our Daily Superfoliant, which you can see here is a powder. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to add your quarter-size amount in your hand, and then you're going to emulsify it with water, and then make a paste and massage it all over your face. You don't want it too watery or else it's just going to make a big mess. You also don't want to do it dry because you need the water to activate the enzymes in this product. So those are the few I wanted to highlight. Also in every kit, your step 5 is a serum like this. So I am holding the hydrating kit. You have your Biolumin C serum. So if you're wondering where 5 is, look for number 5 written on one of your samples. You will get for sure 3 uses out of these sample packets, if not 4. So a little goes a very long way with these guys here. Alrighty, so I hope everybody is enjoying their at-home facials. This is super exciting. We've been working hard on these just to make sure we can give you guys the best facials at home with the best products that we can while doing it safely for your skin. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on any of our social media platforms. And yeah, we look forward to hearing from you. And please, if you are doing your at-home treatment, use the hashtag that I have down here below, because we would love to share your at-home treatments. We'd love to see you guys doing them. Anyways, you guys take care, stay safe, and we look forward to pampering you as soon as we possibly can.